Easy way to clean your rusty filter and housing. Used PLT to clean filter and housing. Remove your filter's housing and add 2-3 ounces PLT into water. PLT is best for remove rust, plastic stuff. PLT is not good for metal. Wait 2-3 hours, you can see PLT magics. PLT is best solution to clean your rusty filter housing. PLT not good for metal. You can't believe PLT magics. See brand new filter and housing. Save your time and money. Share to friend. Thanks for